License plate installation. Start by removing this rubber grommet. Next, take your drill and make sure you have a stepper attached. Drill into the small hole until you reach about 14 millimeters. Drill slowly. Take a reamer tool or a knife and remove any excess shavings. Remove these two 10mm bolts. You may dispose of them, but keep the spacers from behind. Hang on to the bracket. We'll be using it again. Take the license plate frame and feed the wires through the hole we just made. Take the bracket we removed before and put it behind the frame. If you have your license plate already, you can put it in between the frame and the bracket. Align everything to the holes and insert the 2 bolts from your kit. Add a spacer on each of them. Then put on the washers and nuts and tighten them with a 10mm ratchet. Don't tighten them all the way. You'll need to make sure the plate is straight before doing that. Get some isopropyl rubbing alcohol and clean the area behind the license plate and also above. We're going to be putting some sticky tabs here. Take one of the sticky tabs and attach it to the cable. Peel off the backing and apply pressure for about 30 seconds. Let's do the same for the second tab. Take a piece of tape and place it next to this bolt like so. Mark the area with a marker and then use a center punch to make an indentation. Next, grab a drill and make a pilot hole. Now, attach a stepper to the drill and make a 10mm hole. Use a reamer tool to clean out the shavings. Take some dielectric grease and apply to the grommet and insert into your hole. Feed the wires through the grommet like so. Now, let's add one more sticky tab to keep things tidy.